Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs and I'm back with another episode. Today I have this is a rendering I did maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, but I already have the Thea Render textures on it. So it's a cherry red paint, chrome wheels, and added the emitters and everything to it. And you can check out that video here. Today I just wanted to set up some scenes and create an animation. So I just got these two simple scenes. So the animation is going to go from the front through the side, up high, into the back. So when I do my animations, this engine here renders a lot faster. So I'm just going to see what type of animation I can get out of this engine. So we'll just select the Presto and the window. Alright, so we have it set up here. We'll just go to this icon here on the settings panel. We'll just select render and we'll pick here Bugatti, and it'll save each image here. Like we're getting down to the last few images. So yeah, we started here at this scene and I just created the two scenes and we're at the back already. Yeah, I like how this is turning out. It looks really nice.